here and yours is...
There. That's fine. I like that. One has a shelf.
Fair enough. Right, let's go. Well, here we are. We're in.
We are.
We are.
What's surprised me is that when we saw the programme on Channel 5, it looked empty. We returned up on Saturday, it is Saturday, and it is really, really busy. One top tip, wait till you get in the halls before you go to the loo, otherwise you'll be queuing for a bloody long time.
Now, we are not really going to be looking at all the general run-of-the-mill stuff that you've seen already. So we're going to be looking for odd things.
Yeah, we're going to be picking up on things that interest us, so we hope they interest you.
First thing of interest has to be this.
Yes, as you can see, I'm only little, but it seems to be a bed for the top of your car. Is that right?
Yeah, it kind of looks like it, and it's got a nice foamy mattress bit.
Yeah.
Well, this can't be for the roof of your car, though.
Yeah, that's
Oh wow!
Ah,
so it does.
yeah, roof tents.
And which one is this?
Quite an investment.
Oh, it's that one, number 2.
Yeah. No, if you
So
want
you
one,
can
you
see
want
what
one.
it's supposed to look like that. When all done and dusted.
With this one on the blurb, it says refreshing colours. That's hilarious.
Well, I was just looking at this going, well, that tent there
Yeah.
is separate to this one. And this is, well, it's a trailer tent though, but with a difference. Look at the size of this. It's massive. Look. So need to be the little trailer, no doubt that's your bed area. And then, you come around this side, look how size it is, it's massive. Obviously the barbecue is an optional extra. Look, and that little tent does fit on the side, look. It's got a little hole that goes through.
Oh yeah. It's a tiny step up from camping.
Well, no, it's got, you know, you're off the floor easily, aren't it? I'm just going to have a little look. It's quite a big tent. Yeah. There's a door obviously on the outside. What's it called? The open air.
So Steve, we've got to the Isabella stand. We're looking at tables.
We are.
These are the options.
And I think this one might be our first purchase. This you can pick up with one finger, look.
Yeah. We've decided this year we're going to start to have a look and a browse and a very gentle, relaxing mooch around some motorhomes. So this is the first one we're going to look at.
Single axle. And it's a Naus one. We have no idea about motorhomes, so we're just going to have a look and see what they're like. But you'd have thought they'd have made the bed for that price. That's your bathroom. And it's got a proper bathroom, similar layout to ours. Quite a small kitchen though. All down there. So it's a full Oh, it's really easy, isn't it?
Seems to want to come down quite gentle like that, yeah.
Oh, cool. And a shout out here to Graham the Caravan Vlogger. Look, soft closed doors.
I like the layout. What's it called?
I don't know. A Winsberg, never heard of them.
A Caravan 650.
Add premium door, extra horsepower. Yeah, get a bit more out of it. But it's an A-class one.
One of my favourites is the jewellery shop. Yeah.
Well, we shall be here for a while.
It's like that, well that's not solid, it's not fully with the
Yeah, it should look all this. Here's what make is this one? A moto truck. Do you remember that outfit that did slide out panels in terms of caravans? Or slide out compartments? What this one's like on the inside. Ooh, a twin axle job. Mind you, it probably has to be with the weight of all that mechanics to make that go. Potato track X sight. Because of that pops out.
Only allowed in one at a time.
Oh, it's the kitchen bit that slides out.
And this kitchen bit is the bit that goes out. It's pretty.
We were just bestowing the virtues of having one of these. They're absolutely a must for anybody going abroad. You have to freeze, and the silly little piddly fridges you get in caravans won't cut the mustard, will they?
Not at all.
No. Well, the thing is that when you're overseas, we go to Italy, so it's hot.
Yep.
It's like 40 degrees at 9:30 at night. You know?
We've got one, but mine, Steve, is bigger than yours.
Yeah, so how much is that big one at the end?
That's 420, I believe.
420, and it's a fridge in normal mode.
Fridge
in the
in
back
normal
of your car.
road can always go all the way down to minus 10 degrees.
Yeah, they are good. Yeah, I'd say ours is that size. Steve, remember when we bought those teddy bears?
Oh yeah, the bear.
Yeah. Completely useless.
Wi-Fi on board. Yeah, what does that mean now?
Mobile internet solutions.
5G? Yeah, right. Malvern, can you get 5G?
Nah.
No. Let me just take this up and you'll be able to see it says 5G on that board. Let me tell you what you're not going to get. Well, she is in this one. This is the 2022 model.
It is nice. That's very nice at the front. It's got that high bed at the back again, where you're separate.
Well, it's got a massive garage, that's why.
Yeah. I'm not over keen on that, but I mean, it's quite nice.
You need to be over keen if you're going to spend that much money.
That's just the front cab. Yeah.
They do them with different boats. I think they do them with the boats as well.
So like the bedrooms at the back, cool. We've got a separate bathroom and the door is just sliding upright. Cool. Ah, so that's interesting. So you fit your tow bar onto the car and it fits in that little bag down there, look.
And we'll see you again in October, if not February.
Yes. Bye.
Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Fabulous. Thank you very much.
No, thank you.
Oh, no,
Thank you.
brilliant.
Thanks very much.
Thank you. Thanks, guys. Thank you.
See you
Bye.
later. Guess what we just bought? A sofa.
Two sofas.
Two
At the caravan
sofas.
show. What is it?
There we go. Nothing. But you could actually buy full-set dining furniture if you want, or even some knitted,
Ton of scarves.
pleated scarves over there. Look. I'll tell you what. This is a lot busier than what was seen on the TV. Hasn't it?
Yeah, I've already said that at the beginning.
Oh, I didn't
It
know
is.
you said that.
Yeah, I did. What is this one?
It's an auto sleeper. It's got a Mercedes engine. And this only takes 2 people.
No, it's a 4-seater.
Yeah, well, no, but you can only transport 2. There's no seatbelts. Okay. Cupboards.
I like the design.
Oh, it's got aircon, is it? It's got aircon, or is that a filter? Trimmer of Ventura, I don't know if that's just an extractor or not.
We'll keep that vodka for his birthday. Vodka?
Toffee apple vodka.
Yeah, which is very nice because you get a free taste. Hence, there's always a queue on that stand.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Well, 2 years ago when you were open, you saw that lady.
Was it that
and
lady?
you had the, I Same
I
there.
bought some stuff, didn't I? Yeah.
Yeah, baubles and all sorts. That's right.
Welsh liqueurs, black cherry, elderflower gin, sensible. How much are these? Are they? Yeah, I really like those, Steve. That one. Do you know, I just like the idea of having a taste of all of them. Do you know what I
Welsh
mean?
liqueurs there.
Should we get that one and all them? Have you got your card? Pay.
I've got to
Okay.
pay for it. Do you hear that there?
We'll have that one, ladies, please, if that's okay. Do you mind if I take a photo of you, ladies, for your stand? Is that okay? Give me a nice smile. Marvellous, thank you.
Card red, please wait. Approved.
Marvellous.
Hey Fiona, look. What, did you take a picture of that blue one?
No, that one.
Like 1970s. Go and have a look at that. Come on up. Got solar panel on the roof. And then it probably should have. It's called a Go Pod. Wow. There's obviously no loo in it. It's got a tiny little fridge, though. And a cooker. I mean, well, you have to be up here because this is the only place where you stand up. There's a little shelf, look. I suppose you'll need what? Cooking. There's a TV thing, put it on there. TV. Right, well, cool. Well, that one's fairly empty. They're obviously in the middle of doing something to it. Oh, is this somebody's specialising in coach built stuff? Oh yes. And there's a portable example of roof lines, lighting, vents. Oh, blow up canoes.
Let's go.
So let me get it straight. 20 grand and there's no toilet at all.
It's got a bed and central heating, and it's very funky.
Tiny.
The thing is, you could actually buy a
And-
basic caravan for that.
And your kitchen is outside there.
Yeah, I'll go around and have a look. Absolutely.
I just want to have a
not.
look. I just want to have a look.
Yeah, you're not buying
I
anything.
don't need to buy anything. Well, really?
I mean, look at it, it's huge.
Can we do that?
I have two words to say to you, and the first one is, I'm not saying, the second one's off.
Okay.
You can lurk, and that's it.
That'd be right to take you well in your wetsuit off, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it works,
it's
but
collapsible.
I don't think it's intended for that, though, Steve.
No, I think it is. Look, the seats are collapsible. Side.
No, that's intended to go on something hideous on the water.
What is she doing? Signing something? I bet we get a bag in a minute.
Especially when you're a woman of a certain age, it can come up on you.
Ooh, e-bikes. Now there's an idea.
Well, this one is a Adria one, but it's the up to 4 berth winner.
It seems like they also won the A class as well. Obviously the winner circle invokes a bit of a queue.
No, he's already in. I'm on the sidelines. We're taking it in turns.
Right.
Actually, this one looks nice.
Looks it.
Yeah.
got a motorhome now.
No, we got a caravan.
Caravan, yeah.
Sort of twin axle.
Do you reckon I can get me a card?
I'm sure they'll try,
Would you
but
think?
they're busy enough with people who've got more hair than you and me.
Yeah. I wasn't expecting you to be able to get your hair done at the caravan show.
No.
Were you?
No.
Oh. So the £250 one is that one over there?
Oh, right, okay. Is there a queue to get in?
Oh, a massive queue to get in. Right. Well out of our price range, so very nice, but it's a bus.
Well, this one's cheaper than the other one. Table. I'm not over keen on. That's got a TV there, which means you have to sit upright to watch your TV, which I really don't like.
Oh, and one of those shared shower stroke loo where everything gets wet. Not good.
Climate beds. Not over keen.
See, look at that.
Yeah, I love
Go on
it.
then.
So really handy around the house, stairs, rugs, mats and sofas. Good on pet hair as well. It will pick up all larger items like Lego.
Lego, that's a thing for
Yeah,
parents,
yeah,
isn't it? Yeah.
Children.
See, when you stand on those, they're bloody hurt.
Yeah, they do, yeah. So that's really saves hassle with that. The small one for your car and caravan, so that picks up grass, gravel, sand, leaves and mud.
And dog hair?
Stores away. Yeah, so you can use it on dog hair as well. It works on the
Oh, look.
stream.
Fabulous.
Right, you ready?
Hobby craft items as well. So yeah,
Brilliant. We'll put it on our channel for you.
lovely. Super. You have a lovely day.
And you too. Take care.
Bye.
Now, see, when it comes to towing, you could have one of them. Couldn't you? Not that big. How much is it? 27,000. Nearly 28.
Boaters display. No, boaters displayed just over 30.
Oh, for this one? Right. Oh, what about jet skis? How much? Line for jet ski. Well, jet bike. We're going to have to go now.
No, I think we should go on to Hall 5. That's enough.
What do you think? Shall we go for it?
Yeah, I
Last
must admit,
hall?
we're getting tired now.
Look what we got coming. So you could buy your own portable. Look, hedge.
Oh, yeah. I don't think that's actually for sale, though.
It might be. Give
I
them the
think
right
it's
price.
like
You come
caravan-
along with your own hedge.
Belongs to the Caravan and Camping Club. Come on, let's go.
This is as busy as it was a couple of years ago. You see, and this has got to be one of the biggest surprises here. Look, kayaking. Somebody on a paddleboard over there. They've got their own indoor pool. Want to go tenting?
No, because I'm so tired, I feel like lying down in this tent and going to sleep. That's enough. I think that's all from the
I think
Caravan and
we're
Camping show.
actually in Hall 5 anyway,
Yeah.
and we got another, 4 car lengths, and then we're done anyhow.
Yeah, it's been a really good show, hasn't it?
Oh, that's
Really
fun.
good. Right, well, to put it this way, it's 3:15 and we don't usually last that long.
No, we've done rather well.
Yeah, and we were here as soon as it opened.
Right, come on then, follow me.
Well, there we have it. We did have a thoroughly good time. We did spend some money, but please like, subscribe, hit the little bell, and we'll see you on the next one where I will be showing you our new green gadget.